On page 12 of the textbook, we have the section shown. Order of calculations in a spreadsheet formula. Each spreadsheet formula contains one or more instructions that tell Excel what to do with the numbers in the cells referred to by that formula. The instructions that can be used in a formula are the arithmetic operators plus, minus, multiply, and divide. When formulas have calculations involving more than one arithmetic operator, Excel uses the BOMDAS mathematical rule to determine the sequence in which the calculations will be carried out. BOMDAS assigns a different level of importance to each arithmetic operator as follows: 1 brackets, 2 multiplication, 3 division, 4 addition, 5 subtraction. This can be summarized as follows. Rule 1. Calculations enclosed in brackets will always be carried out first. Rule 2. Multiplication and division are always carried out before addition and subtraction. Rule 3. Addition and subtraction are always done last. Consider the formula displayed in table 1.5. Our natural reaction when evaluating the formula is to do the subtraction first, followed by the multiplication, reading from left to right, giving an answer of 40. So that would be A1 is equal to 30 and A2 is equal to 10. So 30 minus 10 is 20. And then 20 multiplied by A3, which is the 2. So 20 by 2 would give you 40. However, you'll see once I press enter that that's not the answer we're going to get. So Excel is giving us the answer 10. And let's see why that is. So when evaluating this formula, Excel uses the BOMDAS rule. The formula contains a mixture of subtraction and multiplication. Under the BOMDAS rule, multiplication must be done first. So that would be A2 by A3, and A2 is 10 and A3 is 2, so 10 by 2 equals 20. Once the multiplication is complete, the subtraction is done. So A1, which is the 30, would have the 20 subtracted from it, and that is giving you the 10. So the correct answer to the formula is 10, not 40. Brackets can be used to change the natural order of a formula. In table 1.5, we could force Excel to do the subtraction first by enclosing the subtraction in brackets as follows. So if I want the subtraction done before the multiplication, I would put a bracket before the A1 and after the A2. The result of this formula is now 40, as the subtraction will be done first. Reminder, in any formula that doesn't contain brackets, multiplication and division are always done first. Note, the O in BOMDAS refers to exponent of. For example, in 2 to the power of 5, meaning 2 to the power of 5, the exponent is 5. So before I go any further, I'll explain about to the power of. 2 to the power of 5 means 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. And in this case, your answer would be 32. In mathematics, the calculation of an exponent takes precedence over multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So let's look at an example. So for example, if I have 350 minus 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3, I would have to do the 2 to the power of 5 first. So my next line would be 350 minus 32 multiplied by 3. And my next line then, because multiplication takes precedence over subtraction, would be 350 minus 96. So my final answer would be 254. And finally, I just want to point out that the maths symbols that you use on paper are not the same as the maths symbols that we use in Excel. So if I was typing that into Excel, it would be 350 minus 2 to the power of 5 by 3. And the next line would be 350 minus 32 by 3, and the next line then would be written the same on paper as it is in Excel. And just to point out that the symbol for to the power of can be found by using Shift and 6 on the keyboard, and the symbol for multiplied by can be found by using Shift and 8 on the keyboard. That's the end of the video on order of calculations in a spreadsheet formula.